Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be focusing on, I guess, 5 things, but 4 will be in terms of LA car company stuff that they sent out to me. So you got the Ocean Spray Snowfoam, we got the Tropical Bliss Luxury Shampoo, Cherry Glaze Tyre Dressing, and finally Lightning Lemon Quick Detailer. So I'm going to be using all of these products in the video that you're about to see. Obviously I'll speak about stuff that I don't like, I'll speak about stuff that I do like, and we'll find out whether, you know, I think you guys should be buying from these guys and whether it's good quality items. The only other thing we were going to be doing in this video, I've got a new door sill light, so I hope to be installing that in this video and potentially doing a breakdown of the old one, but that might be a separate video. So anyway, onto the video, let's clean the car. Okay, so I've put in about 100 milliliters of the snow foam. I'm going to fill it up to the 1,000 mark. I don't know if you guys can see that, obviously it's hard to focus on this bottle. But anyway, I'm going to fill it up to about 1,000, so that's a 1 to 10 dilution. And I must admit, this stuff smells absolutely amazing. It smells like coconut, so that's nice. Pretty cool. I hope it kind of, once you spray it, it smells like it as well. But yeah, so this is their strongest recommended dilution, so we'll see how clean and snow foaming it is. So in terms of the Ocean Spray Snow Foam sample that I got from LA Car Care, I'll show you the results now, they'll be on screen, but basically it removed all of the really tough stuff, sort of kind of that thick black layer that you get after kind of driving. I guess I've driven for about a week in my car, probably about 200 miles. So it removed all of the really tough stuff. It did leave behind all the bottom layer, such as like fingerprints on the boot where, you know, you put your hand to kind of close the boot or anything like that. So there are a few kind of stuff left on the car, so maybe it could do with being a little bit stronger. That was the strongest recommended dilution of it, and obviously you can see it clings to the car really well, just in terms of its actual cleaning ability for that lower, deeper dirt. Maybe you need something a bit more specialist for that, such as like a, I don't know, a citrus cleaner, or kind of a traffic film remover, something like that. So just bear that in mind when you're buying this. So I've now just filled up the bucket with some Tropical Bliss Luxury Shampoo. I'm not the biggest fan of the smell of this one, but as you can see, it foams up nicely. So with any luck, it'll clean the car off nicely. So in terms of Tropical Bliss, the luxury shampoo supplied by them, I'm happy with it. I'm really happy with it. It dries quite quickly, is what I've noticed. So the day I'm doing it on is probably about 5 or 6 degrees outside, so it's not hot, but it does dry on your car quite quickly. So make sure, I would say, do like half your car, rinse off half the car, do the other half. In terms of its actual cleaning ability, I'll show the results now of just doing, remember this is just a snow foam by them, and then the shampoo by them, so you'll see the results. I am sorry for not having kind of a before video, I forgot to do, but I'm sure you can make your own mind up in terms of how much dirt you'll get after 200 miles on a white car, which is quite a bit. So yeah, have a look at these results, see what you think. But yeah, I'm happy with it personally, I'm really happy with it. Okay guys, I have to give you an update on this. The shampoo just dried it off, it's insane. Let's head outside. And I'll show you how glossy it's brought up my car. Obviously my car is fully prepped about a month ago. You know, it got like a clay bar, ceramic wax, blah blah blah. So it has been prepped before this. But just have a look at the shampoo and have a look at how much of a gloss LA Car Care's luxury shampoo has brought out in a white car. It's insane. So now I'm just going to use a little bit of Lightning Lemon Quick Detailer, not that after the shampoo it needs it, but we're going to see if it does anything on an extremely glossy clean car anyway. But let's see how it goes. So I've put some Lightning Lemon Quick Detailer onto the car now. In terms of the gloss, it hasn't changed too much, but what I have noticed is how smooth the paintwork is now. So I guess it's kind of just given that extra layer of protection. So when I first started working in it, it was quite rough, and I don't want to say rough, like grabby. Now that I've put this stuff on it, it is like now, like, you know, smooth paintwork. So yeah, once again, this is another product by them that I highly recommend. It's hard to compare it with other companies, but once again, it's something that I would, you know, I would buy myself for sure. And I may just do that in the future. So I'm going to apply some cherry glaze tyre dressing now. I haven't prepped the wheels very well, bear that in mind. They've just had a simple, easy wash. Anyway, this is how the wheels currently look. So we just do it on one wheel, but that's how they currently look. And then I'll do half the wheel with the glaze and half without, and we can compare. So I've now done half the wheel. This is the old side, that's the new side. Hopefully that shows you kind of how glossy you can get it with this stuff. So 3 out of 4 products I would highly recommend. The snowfoam's pretty good. It lifts off all the heavy dirt. It doesn't necessarily lift off every bit of dirt, but then again, no snowfoam does. The glaze is wicked. The Quick Detailer is amazing, and the shampoo is probably the best shampoo I've ever used, so I would highly recommend that. But anyway, on to installing door sill lights. Okay, so I've gone ahead and bought I say a new, it's a used ST side sill. I got it for like 30 quid off some guy off of one of the Facebook groups. What I've done is removed the old backing tape and put new number plate tape on the bottom of it, because it seems quite thin. It's like a foam tape that you can pretty much pick up from anywhere. But it all works. I've plugged it in and it all works. So let's go install it into the car now. So I've just removed the double-sided tape, and basically I've lined it up. There's a small groove along here, hopefully you can kind of just see it, but basically I've lined it up against that. I've used where the old tape is to line up the wiring. Now I'm just giving it a good hard push down, hopefully make it a bit more watertight than it was before, and then we can plug it in to the old connection, and there we have it. We have light. I don't know if you guys can see that, obviously it's in daylight at the minute. But that is fully stuck back down. So that's all done now. I'm going to just reconnect this underneath my speaker wire, so I don't have to mess around with that. That's fully in now. So hopefully you can see that that is actually lighting up. So yeah. Super happy. Obviously that's one of those niggly things that, you know, it goes wrong and you just want to sort out as quick as you can, because you know it's there. No one else will notice it, but you'll notice it. So now that that's sorted, I'll probably make a new video on tearing down the old one, and we'll see if we can, I don't know, use some cheap Wish LED strips or something to repair it with, and just see if we can get it to work, because that'll be quite funny. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, favorite, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.